kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read about Class 4 Mathematics Olympiad. And in Class 4 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is fraction. Okay, we have already discussed some questions of this chapter, and in today's session we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, Shonam bought some sugar. She used 3 by 8 of it and had 625 gram left. How much sugar did she buy? Option A 100 gram, B 10 kg, C 100 kg, D 1000 gram. Okay, so in the question it is asked that Sonam bought some sugar. She used 3 by 8 of it. Okay, and had 625 gram left. So how much sugar did she buy, right? So Sonam has used 3 by 8 of it. Okay, so you know as a whole we take as 1 and Sonam has used 3 by 8 of it. So she will left with what amount? Let's see. She used 3 by 8 of sugar. Okay, so she left with total is 1 and she has used 3 by 8, so she left with 1 minus 3 by 8 of the sugar. Okay, that is equal to we have to take the LCM, that is 8. So here 8 by 8 minus 3 by 8, that is equal to 5 by 8. So she left with 5 by 8 of sugar. Okay, and it is told that 625 gram of sugar is left. That means 5 by 8 parts is equal to 625 gram. So one part, that is equal to 625 divided by 5 by 8, that is equal to 625 into 8 by 5. So we cancel it, it is 125 into 8, that is 1000. Okay, here unit is gram, so here also we will write it as gram. So one part equal to 1000 gram, that means Sonam bought 1000 gram of sugar. Okay, or you can calculate it like this also. We know that 5 by 8 parts, that is 625 gram. That means 5 parts is equal to 625 gram. So one part, that is equal to 625 divided by 5, that is equal to 125 gram. So we have total 8 parts, right? Because 5 by 8 part is 625 gram. So 8 parts, that is equal to 125 into 8, that is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, so you can follow either of the method. It is the first method, it is the second method. So correct answer is option D, that is 1000 gram. Okay, coming to the next question, find the simplest form of the sum of 4 by 18 and 4 by 9. Option A 12 by 18, B 2 by 3, C 8 by 18, D 2 by 6. So we have to find the simplest form of the sum of 4 by 18 and 4 by 9. So 4 by 18 plus 4 by 9. Okay, so if we simplify it, 4 by 18, that will be, it will be cancelled with 2, right? So it will be 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9, that is equal to 6 by 9. 2 plus 4, 6 by 9. And if we simplify it, it will be cancelled with 3. 3 2 just 6, 3 3 is 9. So it will be 2 by 3. Okay, so the sum of 4 by 18 and 4 by 9, that is 2 by 3. So here correct answer is option B. Got it everyone? Okay. The next one is find the fraction that is 3 whole 5 by 12 less than the product of 1 by 4 and 42. Option A 41 by 12, B 42 by 4, C 7 whole 1 by 12, D 7 whole 1 by 6. So we have to find the fraction that is 3 whole 5 by 12 less than the product of 1 by 4 and 42. So first we need to find the product of 1 by 4 and 42. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 42. Okay. So if we cancel it with 2, it is 2, it is 21. So it is 21 by 2. Okay. And we have to find that that fraction means how much it is greater than 3 whole 5 by 12. So 21 by 2 minus 3 whole 5 by 12. So 3 whole 5 by 12, you know that is a mixed fraction, and before doing any calculation we have to convert it into the improper fraction. Okay, so you know that is 21 by 2 minus 3 whole 5 by 12, it is 3 into 12 plus 5 by 12, that is equal to 36 plus 5 by 12, that is equal to 41 by 12. Okay, it is the improper fraction, that is minus 41 by 12. Okay, so that is equal to the LCM, that will be 12. So 2 into 6, 12. So it is 21 into 6 by 12 minus 41 by 12. So it is 126 by 12 minus 41 by 12. Okay, that is equal to 5, 8. So 85 by 12. So this is the improper fraction and we have to convert it into the mixed fraction because 85 by 12 is not in the option. So that is equal to 7 whole 1 by 12. Okay, and it is present in option C. That's why correct answer is option C. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. Raju bent a wire as shown. What is the length of the wire he had? Option A 1 whole 19 by 40 meter. B 1 whole 19 by 20 meter. C 2 whole 19 by 20 meter. D 59 by 40 meter. So here this is the wire. Okay, and the opposite side these are same. So what is the total length of the wire? So total length of the wire, that is equal to 3 by 5 plus, here 3 by 5, it is 7 by 8 meter, it is again 3 by 5 meter. So 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 7 by 8 plus 7 by 8. So sorry, this one is 8. Okay, so if you take the LCM, that is 40. So if it is 40, 5 8 are 40, so it will be 24 by 40, then again 24 by 40, then 35 by 40, again 35 by 40. Okay, so now we will add it. Okay, for 8 it is 118 by 40, and we can simplify it. Okay, we can cancel it with 2. If we cancel it with 2, then it will be 59 and here it will be 20. So 59 by 20 meter. So it is not in the option, so we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. So it will be 2 whole 19 by 20 meter. Okay, so here the correct answer is option C. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. Find the missing fraction. 1 whole 3 by 4 plus 2 whole 3 by 8 is equal to dash plus 2. So option A 2, B 4 whole 1 by 8, C 2 whole 1 by 8, D 2 whole 1 by 4. So we have to find 1 whole 3 by 4 plus 2 whole 3 by 8. So first we have to convert it into the mixed fraction, the improper fraction. So it will be 7 by 4 plus 19 by 8. Okay. So the LCM, that is 8. So it will be 14 by 8 plus 19 by 8. Okay. Then if we add it, then it will be 33 by 8. Okay. So if it is 33 by 8, then we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay. So it will be 4 whole 1 by 8. Right. So it is 4 whole 1 by 8. So here it is telling that dash plus 2. So 4 whole 1 by 8. That means it is 4 plus 1 by 8. Meaning is same. 4 whole 1 by 8, that is 4 plus 1 by 8. So we can write it as 2 plus 2 plus 1 by 8. So we already 2 is here. So it's here. So we can write it as 2 plus 1 by 8. It is 2 whole 1 by 8. Okay. So if you calculate, the value will be same. 2 plus 1 by 8. It is 2 whole 1 by 8. So we can write here 2 whole 1 by 8. Okay. So correct answer is option C. So that is a trick. Right. Coming to the next question. Which one of the following fractions is 2 by 3 more than 7 by 12? Option A 1 whole 3 by 4, B 1 whole 2 by 3, C 1 whole 1 by 2, D 1 whole 1 by 4. So which one of the following fractions is 2 by 3 more than 7 by 12? Okay. That is 2 by 3 more than 7 by 12. So how to find the value? It is 2 by 3 plus 7 by 12. So here the LCM will be 12. So it will be 8 by 12 plus 7 by 12, that is equal to 15 by 12. So if we cancel it with 3, it is 5, it is 4. So that is 5 by 4. It is equal to 1 whole 1 by 4. Got it? So correct answer is option D, that is 1 whole 1 by 4. Right? Coming to the next question. What fraction of 1 whole 1 by 4 minute is 40 second? Option A 7 by 15, B 8 by 15, C 5 by 4, D 7 by 16. So the question is, what fraction of 1 by whole 1 by 4 minute is 40 second? So when we find the fraction, the unit must be same. Okay, the unit should be same. So here one is in minute and another one is in second. So we have to convert the minute into second. After that only we can find the fraction or ratio. So 1 whole 1 by 4 minute, that is equal to 5 by 4 minute. So how to convert minute into second? We know 1 minute equal to 60 second. So 5 by 4 minute equal to 5 by 4 into 60. Okay, 460 it will be cancelled. That is 15. 15 into 5, that is 75 second. And we have to find the ratio of, that is 40 second by 75 second. Okay, so here if we cancel it, that is with 5, it will be 8 and here it will be 15. So the given fraction, that is 8 by 15. Okay, that is the required fraction 8 by 15. So correct answer is option B, that is 8 by 15. Okay, coming to the next question. What is the value of n? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9 is equal to n plus 1 by n plus 5. Option A 5, B 5 by 9, C 4, D 9. So what is the value of n? Okay, so we have to solve the question, right? So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9, that is equal to the LCM of this 3 and 9, that is 9. So it will be 3 by 9 plus 2 by 9, that is equal to 5 by 9. And it is given n plus 1 by n plus 5, that is equal to 5 by 9. So can we write it as, okay, it is equal to 5 by 9. So can we write it as 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 5? Meaning is same, it is 5 by 9. So 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 5. That means here in place of n we have written 4. Here also in place of n we have written 4. So we can say that n is equal to 4. Okay. So correct answer is option C, that is 4. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. Which one of these fractions is greater than 1 by 5 but less than 1 by 3? Option A 1 by 2, B 4 by 15, C 5 by 6, D 3 by 4. So in the question it is asked which one of these fractions is greater than 1 by 5 but less than 1 by 3. So we have to compare the values. Okay. So we have this is 1 by 5 and 1 by 3. Between 1 by 5 and 1 by 3, which number is there? So 5 and 3, the LCM is 15. So 1 by 5, it will be 3 by 15. It is the like fraction. And 1 by 3, it is 5 by 15. So between 3 by 15 and 5 by 15, which number is there? Yes, of course, it is 4 by 15. That's why correct answer is option B, that is 4 by 15. Got it? Coming to the next question. Manish gave 1 by 6 of his marbles to Pawan and 1 by 3 of them to Joy. He then had 54 marbles left. How many marbles did Pawan receive? Option A 54, B 108, C 36, D 18. So in the question it is given that Manish gave 1 by 6 of his marbles to Pawan and 1 by 3 of them to Joy. Then he had 54 marbles left. So we have to find out how many marbles did Pawan receive. Okay, so Manish have given Pawan 1 by 6 of the marble and Joy 1 by 3 of the marble. So Manish gave what fraction of marble to Pawan and Joy? That is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So it is equal to 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 because that LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So it is equal to 3 by 6 and we can cancel it with 3, that is 1 and 2. So it is equal to 1 by 2. So Manish gave 1 by 2 of the marbles to Pawan and Joy in total. Okay. So Manish is left with always we take the total as 1. Okay, so from 1 he has given half to Pawan and Joy, so he is left with 1 minus half, that is 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so Manish is left with half of the marbles, and also in the question it is given that he had 54 marbles left. That means half part is equal to 54. So 1 part is equal to 54 divided by half equal to 54 into 2, that is equal to 108. Okay, or second method is there. You know half part equal to 54. That means 1 part is equal to 54 marbles, right? So 1 by 2 part is equal to 54. So 1 part is 54 marbles. So we have two parts that is in total. So 2 into 54, that is 108 marbles. Okay, so the total marble that Manisha, that is 108 marbles. But in the question it is asked how many marbles did Pawan receive. So Pawan received 1 by 6 of the marble, right? So Pawan received 1 by 6 of the marble, that is equal to 1 by 6 into 108. It will be 18. So that is equal to 18 marbles. So Pawan received 18 marbles. Okay. So correct answer is option D, that is 18. Got it everyone? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then read mindfully. Practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.